All right, so the channel is called Smart Home, and we have a smart home device here, Droplets. I've used this product before, and they're at CES this year, so I run into Diane, and Diane is going to talk about what's new with Droplets, and we'll learn if there's anything that you can check out here at CES. Droplet might be one of the product on the list. So I'll pass over to Diane for some discussion about Droplets.
Hi, so we are Droplet, our smart home water sensor that helps you detect leaks and also monitors your home's water usage from just one single point in your home. So as you can see right here, we have a clamp-on system where there's no need to cut your pipes or no plumbers needed. So it goes directly onto your main water line and it monitors your house's flow. So how this works is through ultrasonic technology, which is also on the wall here. So we have two ultrasonic sensors, one here and one on the other side. And when the water is flowing through the pipe, it's measuring the speed at which the water is flowing, and the two sensors are communicating to each other and sending sound waves to detect how fast the water is flowing and whether or not this is something normal or something that should be looked at, which also relates to the instant leak alert. So what's new this year from the last year is we have a totally different dashboard where you can not only monitor the average, you can not only monitor your water usage throughout the day, week, month, and year. You can also set limit alerts to have better habits if you want to save on your water bill and look at and compare how your water usage different from day to day or week to week. And another interesting thing is, so here it helps people. It acts like as a educational tool to help you understand your water habits better, and you can actually set a goal for yourself. So my hometown is California, and we have a lot of droughts going on, and water is really expensive. So here you can actually choose between gallons, percentage, or your presets. And if you're clueless, you can say, I have 3 people in my household, and that would be 135 gallons per person calculation, according to the drought guidance. And I would like to use this as a limit so that I can see exactly how well I'm doing versus the limit that I'm reaching. And then another thing that I want to show you is when you turn on the water, and if you go to the now view, it calculates exactly how much water you're using and in the time zone that you're in. And then this is definitely a faucet, so it's also calculating exactly where your water is using. So what's also interesting about this is now you can actually have the option to tag the running fixture. Say you are actually having a washing machine instead of the faucet, and this is just for demo purposes, but you can click on this and it's tagging, and when you turn it off, within 30 seconds, because this Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, you can see that there is another line. So what this does is, because we use machine learning, Droplet is constantly learning to tailor to your home and to be more accurate in terms of identifying the fixtures. So this tagging feature, over time, like you can see right here, it learns the algorithm of your house and provides you with even more accurate data. You can also tag to say what it is. Say that was a toilet and it's not a leak and it's a guest bath toilet. You can also do that, and it also helps Droplet to better learn about your home.
And what's the price of this here, and when you can buy this here with this new feature?
Yeah. So we sell it at the market price of $229, but for CES, we're having a special sale of $50 off, and it's only for 10 days. So yeah, I think it's a steal. Something that I actually also want to mention, I'm going to steal Emily here to talk more about like Home Assistant and MQTT and local API.
Perfect. Yeah.
So,
Mike over to Emily to talk about some more stuff on Droplets.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm one of the co-founders here at Hydrific. So one of the other great benefits of Droplet is you don't have to use our app and our cloud services. You can actually run Droplet on your own with your own local API using Home Assistant or MQTT. So this is an example of somebody's dashboard that we've set up here. This is running on a Raspberry Pi. I'm going to turn the water on, and you're going to see right away Droplet's going to send it straight to your local network. And you'll be able to get all of that data. You can customize this. You can do, there's a really strong community out there doing their own customizations. If you want to trigger, for example, a shutoff valve, you can integrate this with a shutoff valve. If you want to turn your light blue when you use too much water, you can do that.
We like that.
It's a really cool, flexible system. We really want to develop a tool for people's homes to help them save water, help them prevent damage. So we're always listening to what people would want to build and do with that. So that's why we launched Home Assistant.
Awesome.
To measure both flow rate and volume here actually goes onto your energy dashboard for users who want to integrate the Droplet system into their energy dashboard.
All right, so the folks out there that likes to customize the Google Assistant like me, this is the perfect solution. You want the water to glow, you want your lights to glow red when the water peak is too high. You can do that here with a new app integration. So pretty cool tech here at CES. And also, Diana was saying that there's a special happening at CES. You get $50 off for the next 10 days, I believe. So I'll have the link here to buy that or take advantage of that sale in the video description. So check it out. This is one of pretty much the most important thing you can put in your house when it comes to saving energy and saving water at the same time. So we'll continue to explore other booths, but wanted to give a big shout out to Droplets. They constantly innovate and integrate at CES. So we're excited that we get a chance to stop by and say hi here at Droplets. Thank you.
Thank you so much.